Hi everyone, welcome back to VinVout. In this video, we will be diving into the world of ESP32's Bluetooth capabilities. The ESP32 is famous for its Wi-Fi capabilities, but it also has some Bluetooth capabilities like the Bluetooth Classic and the BLE, that is Bluetooth Low Energy. So in this video, we will be mainly looking at the Bluetooth Classic. And because of this classic Bluetooth, I even moved from the MicroPython to Arduino, because unfortunately MicroPython doesn't support this classic Bluetooth on ESP32 now. Connect the ESP32 to your computer and open the Arduino IDE. First of all, for understanding this, we are going to look at the examples in it, the serial to serial BT. If you have already used Bluetooth with Arduino, you will understand it easily. It's similar. You can go check out my video on that. We imports or includes the Bluetooth serial library. Next, if we want to use a pin or a password, we can set that pin to access our ESP32. Here we can set the device name, that is, if we want to change the name of the ESP32, we can do so. It will be displayed on other devices. The next lines are used to check if the Bluetooth is properly connected. Then creates an instance of Bluetooth serial called serial BT. We give the baud rate of 1150-200. Next, we initialize the Bluetooth serial device. If you have defined the use pin variable, that is, you have to go and uncomment the above variable, and if you have defined it, you can set a pin for your ESP32. So here we send and receive data. Let us assume the serial Bluetooth device to be our phone. Here we check if there are any bytes received in the serial port. If it is available, send the data through Bluetooth to this connected device. Serial BT.write sends the data using Bluetooth serial. Serial.read reads the data given to the serial port. So the ESP32 sends whatever data it reads in the serial port to the connected device. So in the next if statement, the complete opposite happens. It checks the data available to serial Bluetooth, that is our phone. If there are, we will write those bytes or data to the serial monitor. Next, we are going to do a small project. Here we will use the inbuilt Hall effect sensor of the ESP32 to send data to our mobile phone using classic Bluetooth. As you can see, when I bring the magnet, the values become higher, and we are giving this data from our ESP32 to our connected phone using Bluetooth. When I bring the other pole, the values even become positive, all through the use of classic Bluetooth. Hope you learned how to use the Bluetooth of the ESP32. I'll link the code for this project in the description. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more ESP32 and other microcontroller tutorials and projects. And thank you.